open the gates.
Abejaba baljo mashomero arengora secondary korgomri suti ya Kiruhura beteranire arebititi technical science training center omukoro ogwikiroho omuhandikiye kurgo ministry wegese turi agenda
twara twashomisho bintu byinshi tugendereye nimanya ngokwe tuzakishikanye nabecho eza plan zona ezaho NDP 1 2 3 na kiyo ya kane nekatanduka yona nekuja kwetiyambe twase kusaba ikintecho kandi tukupasa kukorwa kwihaho obwegese bitwahinduka
kugira ngo kusoma kutungurense answer is no. In fact, okusoma okwatungwire mungereza tukusoma itwe bakatushomesa ngo tube abatafiti ubavumurura n'ubuhandika. That is not the education that transforms society. So tuteka okuhindura omuntu tukushomesa abana bitu.
ogu agambira abazire ngo President Museveni ekinicho atwire na rwanara ebyona ebe bitebekanisibwe omunyishenjero wa Nyabushoze Wilson Kajwenje
Kuruga 2021 akataho bana barenze 20 HS bakora sanse zo muri Nyabushoze onkani nyendore bahati meaning kugera ku myaka kugera abana bari mu haya bakora sciences bakazo mu university bakaba engineers doctors and so on.
The pharmacists n'abashaka bashomera imbazi unkota tukora imbazi nabwiha China nabwiha India bamugambire kugumu abantu byari kuza kuragura konganira umwana muri abana bitu hands on n'abatawegaro
abashomesa hamwe na bamwe abeje bayikiro mu mukorogo bongere basema ebyo ebikozerwe
kwija nkomu oreba new ideas creating and innovating no basa kutunga product nungi oshanje watanduka kugiguza then you create self employment
omugandi twaza mu district ya Mitoma omwezi wa speaker w'ishenjeri hanga Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa atabukira bekitongore kiri kuranira no kurinda ebibira echa National Forest Authority echa National Forestry Authority okutahirira ebanja by'abantu okwika no kubabenga.
Government cannot make a law that protects it and does not protect civilians. For example, if you say someone was occupying my land, okay, and 12 years before 1995 constitution, and you say he's a bona fide occupant, okay, if he was also occupying government land, he should be a bona fide occupant.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
Because government cannot say civilians lose their land,
and the government does not
lose. You get it? Even if it means, if we find there is an anomaly around that, we can go back, we amend the law.
Yes.
Kugira ngo esharo zikakorwa kuno ya Kiyanga yonka aribinde bicweke bya Uganda ahensharo za ziresta kizakozwe kandi naco bakito mu gazeti mbwene hati twitaga ejo mapu ya 15 na gazeti eruho tekubura mu twazo mu archives entebe gazeti zireta eruho tubita ameza side zone ziresta ukashanga na uwe naye yakoze mistake.
Abanyamitoma ababinjirwe omumataka gabo bagambire speaker nabandi banyishenjero abarukushitama akachiko k'ebyoburambuzi obayikire omucangeki okonya kugonjora
tutunge team y'aba surveyors twamara kukikaka seki bije bagaruke baterezo ruhenda handi twena turo
ka government ko kuchikola abandi ba land owners ninga babanja bakama bamataka abandi abaland baba babona fayida okubatsa bakatwe banje twenda ngunabo na government nayo ikiriza ngo bari yitaka lyabo imyaka 12 nyuma kira mno nkeri itaka itakozese bahereza bataka bari hehi kubanda nyine kubanza
ebyo bikondo mukabikuma ebyitaka lya paka mwari kuma enyamisha mwarangu mwaturage nazo nobuzi kuzibonera muzifunya muzigaruzayo timukuzita muzitwarizaje nicyo tusheme kwatwariza nka government
ntabwo cyo kuturagaruke twaza korangana abamembazi ba parliament abana na speaker turengwa amateka gatwagatereza hata kamba banyonesize ahubwo nkirinza kuyuza form ya page 10 ekikuru no kujya ngo haro bwino ngo banyonesize nikimara na nantire national ID bashashe